Julius Blanco, JB Engineering, representing McGuire Manufacturing on this code change. The A117 standard is a performance-based standard that tells what has to be done, but they don't have any of the specification type requirements, and for that we go to the plumbing code, and for years they have had requirements for covering and protection of traps and of water piping. And there is nothing in the plumbing code that addresses this. The plumbing fixture manufacturers are making these products, and they're making them to the standards that I have identified in proposed section 402.5. They're using ASTM D635 and ASTM G21. The problem I did find is there are certain states where there's building inspectors saying they got to meet the insulation requirements. Well, this isn't insulation, it's a protective covering.
Sid Cavanaugh, Cavanaugh Consulting, representing Trubro, IPS company, D635. The fire test response test method covers a small-scale laboratory screening procedure for comparing the relative linear rate of burning or extent of time of burning, or both, of plastics in the form of bars, molded or cut from sheets, plates, or panels, and tested in a horizontal position. Now, this may or may not be an appropriate standard of reference for these products.
Mr. Chairman, I'll be voting against the motion on the table right now because I believe that this conflicts with IPC 719.1. This material really should have the E84 standard, meet the E84 standard. Thank you.
I too will be voting against the motion on the floor. If the standard they put forward complied with the E84 and the flame spread of 25,450, they should just say that. There's no reason to go around the block to get to what actually the building code requires. It's already triggering the plumbing code that sends you to the building code. This just isn't a necessary section to be added to the plumbing code. Nonetheless, it's under the section of fixture materials. This isn't a fixture, it's a cover for something. There's a lot of other things, but I don't want to create opening the floor again. I didn't think this was a worthy proposal.
Thank you. All those in favor of approval as submitted, raise your hands. Opposed? That motion fails 11 to 3.